Yeah, that's me there minding my own business, and then boom, there's a CCTV footage. So in this video, we're going to learn how to survive an armed robbery inside a petrol station or a garage. So before we talk about the lessons, let's watch the video. Let's see what happens. Unfortunately, there's no sound on this one. I don't know what lessons you've drawn from this video, because the lessons I'm going to talk about are not lessons that I've read somewhere. These are not lessons that you can Google, whatever, but these are lessons that I'm observing from this video and I see it works. But you know what? Let's watch it again and talk about it. So the first guy enters the garage. May I say the first guy, because when I analyze the video, I think everyone is involved here. This guy is trying to buy something, and then behind him there's two people who walk in, and then they go around the shop to look for whatever they want to buy. The cashier is helping the guy at the counter. This is why I say this guy is involved. He's also part of this. That look, when they look back to see, oh, what are you guys still doing? Time is running out. This guy is the only guy that is always looking around. He's looking outside, he's looking behind him. Thieves usually, when they enter a place that they're not familiar with, but they want to steal, they get a bit of discomfort, so they want to do whatever they want to do and quickly get out of there. They are not looking for trouble. These are not the guys that are looking for trouble. We'll talk about the lessons. Let's analyze the video. So the third person walks in, the fourth person walks in, and the third person walks straight, just right behind the counter, and start making demands. And all the guys are now gathering by the counter. He's making demands to say, hey, you don't move, stay right there. But we know it's pretense. These guys are together, I can tell you that. And then he takes the money. The other guy wearing a brown hat is going to take all the cigarettes. He's going to take all the cigarettes. So the guy with the brown or green hat is busy collecting all cigarettes. I think they're going to sell these things at the black market. They always go for cigarettes. I don't understand. What is this guy getting? What is he taking? All the cigarettes, all the different kinds. Ooh, guy, your hands are there. You're not wearing gloves. You're touching things there. These are unprofessional robbers, guys. These guys are unprofessional. They're not wearing balaclavas or hoodies just to cover their faces. We can see their faces. Now, look at the guy with the yellow cap. It looks like a Kaiser Chiefs cap. I'm not sure. Forget the Springboks guy. There's a Kaiser Chiefs cap. Look at him. Observe him. These guys have safeguarded this garage from inside. No one else entered the shop until these guys were done. It looks like this garage is not busy. He's gonna look out and then observe and go straight to the biltong and get one biltong. These are hungry guys. These are not robbers. These are guys who are taking chances, guys. I saw they have a gun, but we're not sure if that gun is not a toy. It's a toy. I tried to check literature for this one. I couldn't find an article around this story. And then the other guy's gonna walk towards the biltong. I mean the magnum. The other guy's gonna get a magnum. The guy's gonna get a magnum. Is that a magnum? The guy got a magnum. I can't. Why would you steal a magnum? Anyway, okay, let's learn the lesson. Let's learn the lesson. Lesson number 1. Comply, 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 comply. How do you see complying works is this, because after this guy walk in and try to buy whatever he's buying, 2 guys are gonna walk inside. Yeah, the guy wearing a white top is gonna just walk behind the cashier or the counter and start making demands. When he makes demands, a guy is looking at the other guys to see, okay, what's happening, and he's been told, hey bruh, open the machine. Open the machine, man. And he opens the machine. Complying, that's complying. That's what you do. You comply, comply, comply. It's gonna save your life. This is not a shop. You're working there. You're just an employee. You're probably not even getting paid good money. There's no need to fight back this kind of people. You comply, comply, comply. That's lesson number 1. You see, this guy is complying. This will learn that you just comply. Lesson number 2, you keep your hands up. You have to raise your hands. If you check, this raising your hands will save your life, guys. Raising your hands, but this guy is not raising his hands enough. These hands are not high enough. You raise your hands, but the hands are not high enough. That's my worry. Yeah, keep them up high there. You will be safe. Keep your hands in the sky, man. Keep your hands where they can see them. And comply, comply. So 2 things. You comply and you keep your hands in the sky. That way you will save your life. Anyway, I'm not going to exhaust you about it, but I just wanted to point out that when you are in these kind of situations, the best thing to do is to comply, and also the best thing to do is also lift your hands up so that you show that you are not a threat to these guys. They must not harm you, they must not hurt you. You will survive all these things, guys. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Forget the guys with magnums and biltongs. I wonder if it's recorded in the report that magnum and biltong was also stolen. Legeremina, salute. Mingatit